In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons to Squarespace. To begin, open your Squarespace website and make sure you are in edit mode. This is the mode where you can change the layout, add content blocks, and adjust different parts of your page. If you are viewing your site normally, look for the option that lets you edit the page. Once edit mode is active, you should be able to click into different areas of your site, such as the header, footer, or individual page sections. Before adding the icons, take a moment to decide where you want them to appear. Many people place social media icons in the footer because it keeps them visible across the site without distracting from the main content. You may also want them in the header if social media is an important part of your brand, or inside a specific section if you are building a contact area or promotional page. The location you choose will depend on how prominent you want those links to be. Once you have chosen the area, click Add Block or select the plus icon in the section where you want the icons to appear. The plus icon is used to add new content to your Squarespace page. When you click it, a menu will open with different types of blocks you can add, such as text, images, buttons, forms, and other content elements. This is where you will choose the block designed specifically for social media links. In the block menu, look for the Social Links block and select it. This block is made for displaying social media icons that link directly to your profiles. After you select it, Squarespace will add the block to the area you selected. You should now see the block appear on the page, and a settings panel or pop-up should open so you can begin adding your social media information. In the pop-up, you can add the URLs for your social media profiles. For example, you can paste in the link to your Instagram profile, Facebook page, TikTok profile, or any other supported platform you want to include. Make sure each URL is entered correctly, because these links are what visitors will use when they click the icons. If a link is missing part of the address or has an extra character, it may not open properly. Take your time here and check that each profile link points to the correct account. If you want to include more than one platform, click the Add Social Link option. This allows you to add additional social media profiles to the same block. Each time you add a new link, you can enter another platform URL. Squarespace will usually recognize the platform based on the link and display the matching icon. This keeps your icons clean and consistent without needing to upload separate images for each social network. After your links are added, move to the Design tab inside the Social Links block. This is where you can adjust the appearance of the icons so they match the style of your website. You may be able to change the icon style, size, shape, and color, depending on your template and design settings. For example, you might choose a simple outline style for a minimal website, or a filled icon style if you want the links to stand out more. You can also adjust the size if the icons look too small or too large in the area where you place them. As you make design changes, look at how the icons appear on the page. The goal is to make them easy to notice while still fitting naturally with the rest of your site. If your site has a clean layout, smaller icons may work best. If the icons are in a footer or contact section, you may want them slightly larger so visitors can find them quickly. Choose the settings that feel consistent with your overall design. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply your changes. This will keep the Social Links block on your site with the links and design settings you selected. Once saved, your visitors will be able to click the icons and go directly to your social media profiles. That covers everything you need to know about adding social media icons to Squarespace.